Hey, welcome in for another product video at For the Low. My name is Spencer, and today I've got this Samsung 5-disc DVD player to show you. The model number is DVD-C631P. Before we get into it, a quick fun fact for you. Did you know that the original movies that were created didn't have audio, so in order to make up for it, they would have live bands played during the showings? It'd be pretty cool to have that. But now that you know that, let's talk about this. On the rear panel for audio, there is digital audio, optical, and coaxial, and then there is analog audio. You have two sets, and then you have two sets of composite output, and then for the best picture, there is component output, and then there's S-video as well, and you can adjust between which one you have it set to. So let's go ahead and get it plugged in and put a DVD in. We're going to use the component cables. Just match up the colors. And then connect your audio cable to the audio output. And then once you've got it all connected correctly, you should get a signal to your TV just fine. So we'll go ahead and insert a disc. And then this is what the original remote looks like for it. You can see all your functions on there. And then while you have a disc playing, you can use the disc exchange button, and that will let you load 4 discs while one continues to play, as you can see there. And then you've also got play, stop, backwards, forwards, and then your eject button on the front. But that's pretty much all there is for this 5-disc Samsung. If you want to order one, you can go to our online store or you can give us a call.